Hi, today we're going to play fishing fun. We have a tub of water and we have the packet. So let's start opening it. So the first step, I guess, is to throw all of these in the water. Bam, bam, bam. Now we have a fishing hook that I guess we have to go fish with. Edge. Let's try to get one of these things. It's really shallow in there. And I'll tell you once I get one. I almost got that one. That's just right. And then it just got off. I've caught one. That's the seahorse, I guess. We're gonna slowly lift it out of the water with the spin, and that's what we should keep it in our basket. Alright, today I'm going to open this new basketball set. So, start it up. So, in this set, we have a hoop, we have like a stand, we have a basketball thing. Here, we want to assemble it. Take this and just put it in here, and it will just attach. Take this, there's like a little two holy thing in the back, and you can just slide it right in there. Now, since you've assembled it, you get a shoot thing that you can shoot into the hoop with 3 balls. So 3 chances. Oh, I missed that one. I scored that one! Ah, I missed it. Pretty cool, so you can just keep scoring it in, and it will be like, oh my god, so awesome. I like this game that you can just technically just take that and just shoot it in. You can take like as many tries as you need to. Sometimes you may need it, sometimes it goes over, sometimes you can just be creative and put something behind it so it looks, you can take like, if you're feeling bored or anything like that, you can just take this toy and you can start playing with it. Today I'm going to open this wind-up fishing game. We're going to open it and show you how this thing works. Comes with its own fishing hook. Here you see this little thing that comes out of the fish, I mean the toad. You just need to twist it, and then you want to start catching the fishies. I got it in the sand. I got one! Yay! This one before it was done. Got a third one. There's at least 6 fishes you need to catch. This does not require anything, just the fishes. It's a pretty good game. Focus game, you have to focus because they're very tiny. And you have a very tiny fishing rod. It's a pretty good game if you're feeling bored, you can just go grab this game and start winding up. And it's also easy to assemble. Just put it in. I already tried this game before showing you guys. It's a pretty good game. So I thought of showing it to you. And this is not technically a real game. You have to just spin it, the wheel, and make some art. As you can see, I already have one last paper because I played it already. 3 parts. Put that right in. There's no clicking or anything, so you don't know. Before you do anything like that, you want to stick a piece of paper right inside. Put it in. Spin the wheel. Before you spin anything, you need to open the lids of the caps that you think you're going to use. And you just drop in some. Let it ooze on. Huh? Daddy. Come on. Daddy. Daddy. It goes any direction. And that's yeah, it looks pretty good and beautiful, and you can try it out yourself. I already finished one, and don't put too much paint, and we're gonna start another one. And get your paint ready and spin it. You can immediately just start spinning it. You never know that you can get. It क्यों निकलता है? Sometimes it comes out. You have to just put it back in, so you can spin it once again. You can make sound waves and everything with this. Two jobs. And that's. And if you're feeling bored, get some gloves on and play with this game. After you play, the paint gets all over the place inside of the tub. You want to just clean the tub plus this. Okay, so I'm going to review this flying ball thing that you can just blow through here. It'll fly right in the air because of the air. Blow it very hard so the ball can fly up. But it's a pretty good game. You can use ball pit balls for these balls also if they get lost. Because they're exactly the same thing. Here I tried all the Dollertree toys and I feel good. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my mother's channel. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.